Hello everyone, welcome to this math video where we are required to find the LCM, lowest common multiple, of the following that is given in index notation and in their prime factorization form. And so, all I have to do is to compare each prime factor for lowest common multiple. I do select the highest power. So 2 power 2 compare with 2 power 4. I would choose 2 power 4, 3 and 3 power 2, 5 power 5 and 5, and therefore the LCM in this case will be 2 power 4 times 3 power 2 times 5 power 5. And that will give me a value of 450,000. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.